We're out here taking care of business this morning, getting all these trees trimmed, baby. Let's get this one done before and after. Let's do this thing, boys. Let's unload this. Wait, hold up, Will. I think that's poison oak, dude. You couldn't even see this tree before. Check it out. We got it all trimmed up. Very healthy now. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a tree go from trash to cash. Now imagine doing every one of these. Got something to say?
Yo, if you don't sub right now, I'll find you. I'm gonna kiss you.